Hello skin lovers, welcome to my workstation. Today I'll be making a tutorial on how to make your toning body cream. This cream it's going to help to tone up your skin, even out your skin, give you a very even complexion and give you that youthful glow that you ever desired. Now I need to make this clear. If you have skin issues, if you have dead skin cells, if you have damaged skin, chapped skin, if you know your skin it's not healthy, this product it's not for you. I repeat, if you have a damaged skin or you have other skin issues, this product it's not for you. If you're having problems with your skin, you're having pigmentation, pityriasis or chronosis, you just name all those skin disorder, you need to see a skin doctor, you need to see a skin therapist, you need to contact us to be able to look into what the issue is and help you recommend any of our products to use to get your skin back to life before you can start lightening up your skin and toning your skin. So this is for people who already have a healthy skin and they want to tone up and brighten up their skin. I'll be introducing to you guys what I have here and what you can substitute for the other in case you do not have it, or in case you react to some of all these products or these few products that I have laid out here. Now I'll be using my own base cream. It's almost gone. I think I have about 500 ml left. If you want to know how to make your base cream, you can click on the link below. I have a video where I made my base cream. This base cream here has got allantoin, stearic acid, all the fatty alcohols, and the base oil here is sunflower oil. So I'll be using 500 grams of this. I'll also be leaving a link below where you can get the measurement of all this of all the recipe, where you can get the measurements for this recipe. I'll be using my skin free milk. I'll be using my 5 days action milk. I'll be using Skin Perfecto serum, and I'll also be using my magic derma. Now for some of you who want to mix this yourself, you can get all this recipe you can get all of this recipe on our website. At the end of this video, I'll be telling you exactly how you can use this cream to get a very effective result. Because knowing how to use your cream is important. Knowing how to use your cream, knowing how to use your product is very important, because some of you just go ahead and use products without knowing exactly how to use it, and you don't get to see results at the end of the day. This is your 5 days action milk. So when you add in your serum, you want to mix up your serum nicely, incorporated very well. So basically what you want to do is to add in your serums one after the other, and you mix to get it all incorporated. Basically mix all your oils one after the other, so you can see how super it's like a lotion. See, this works super lovely on all skin type. And we're going to be putting in our vitamin E oil. I'll be adding vitamin E oil into this mixture. The measurement for this recipe will be under the description box, which you can just click on the link and get the right measurement for this mixture. So this is how to make your super toning cream. Now, for you to see effective results in 2 weeks, you need to exfoliate your skin. You need to get a very good body scrub. It could be a lightening body scrub or a glowing body scrub. Then scrub your skin 3 times a week at least. For the soap that you'll be using to achieve a flawless result with this cream should be a lightening body wash. When you're using a lightening body wash, or when you're using a soap that has lightening additives, you want to make sure that your cream does not also have heavy additives. That way you don't thin up your skin. So, or you can also do it vice versa. But for this recipe, for you to get a very effective result, I would advise you use a lightening body wash or a lightening body soap. Then you use your scrub, a glowing scrub, 3 times a week, and you use this cream morning and night, and you will be happy with the result that you get. I want you guys to try out this recipe and tell me what you feel about this. Drop me a comment on my description box. And if you want to go into this business proper, there's so much recipe where this came from. We do training. If you want to go right into this business full time, it is advisable you get trained to be on top of your game. If you enjoyed this video, give us a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're here today, and I'll see you in my next one. Keep that glow pumping. Bye guys.